Assalamualaikum and a very good day to all our beloved Clicknet fans. Here we are today to review another awesome product under our Clicknet review session. I'm Dr. 𝗧𝗵𝗲𝗲𝗏𝗲𝗏, Director of Clicknet Technology. And for today, I will be reviewing another awesome product. It's none other than the GE66 Raider by MSI. It's equipped with the latest 10th Gen Intel Core i7 processor and powered by NVIDIA GeForce RTX 30 series graphics. Equipped with the MSI Mystic Light RGB light bar, it is designed to give you the ultimate RGB gaming setup. So, without wasting more time, let's proceed with the unboxing. Wow! So, this particular model also comes with its very own power adapter. So let's look at the power adapter closely. The very own power adapter. This particular model also comes with a notebook warranty service, a quick start notebook guide, and not forgetting the recovery function notebook. And now, the star of the show, the very own MSI GE66 Raider. Let's open it up together. So are you excited to look at the features of the MSI GE66? I am very excited because this is my very first time to have a look at this laptop. So let's view it together. Wow! Look at this, guys! See your favorite games come to life with an advanced ray tracing which delivers beautiful shadows, reflections, and advanced lighting in compatible games. Experience fluid gaming visuals so you can react more quickly while gaming. The GE66 Raider is a fusion of esports gaming flagship and finely tailored luxury. It comes with the world's most complete I/O ports to support all kinds of data transmission or display output. With features of Comet Lake i7-10870H 8-core CPU, RTX 3080 laptop GPU, GDDR6 16GB, DDR4 32GB, 3200 MHz, and 2TB NVMe PCIe SSD. It is 15.6 inch with crafted oblique angle which unfolds the sharp image. It also comes with curved hexagonal dragon armor on the bottom side and also features the cool tone color to be a one-of-a-kind presence. The MSI App Player provides a seamless gaming experience between mobile gaming and the PC. It also enables gamers to utilize customizable features such as RGB keyboard lighting, better graphics, and multitasking. The GE66 Raider comes with rapid 300Hz refresh rate, gameplay with IPS level, 5mm thin bezel and 82% screen-to-body ratio. Close to 100% sRGB, 100% factory calibration with 6 color modes. 𝗏𝗏𝗃 3D audio for gamers. Enjoy your games and music in a whole new way with the world-class Dynaudio sound system. The GE66 is equipped with the largest battery of 99.9 watts-hour. Thus, it provides longer run time. Keyboard designed especially for gamers includes larger control key for gamer fingertips and faster functions keys to switch on Dragon Center, Cooler Boost, and Steel Series engine. The GE66 leads the market to provide the most crystal clear and sharp 1080p web camera. Furthermore, it also has faster speed to benefit gamers with the latest Intel Wi-Fi 6E, which can be 3 times faster than standard Wi-Fi 5. So what do you think about the laptop, guys? I personally love it. With the RGB color and the high processor, this is definitely the gaming laptop that you're looking for. So how much would the price be? For only 14,999 ringgit, you can get this i7 GE66 Raider MSI belong to yours today. But wait, only for today, Clicknet would like to offer a special price for the first 5 customers who inquire on this MSI GE66 Raider to get a very special price. So why wait? DM us now. Okay guys, till our next review session. Till then, Stay safe, stay healthy, take care, and remember, Clicknet Technology. Bye!